Hey everyone, welcome. I'm John from Stack and Tilt Trades. If you're here, you already know the frustration. You've tried to trade. Maybe you followed some gurus. Maybe you paid for some discords. And somehow, at the end of the week, the account either went sideways or went backwards. This presentation is about something completely different. It's not about learning to trade. It's not about chart patterns or candlesticks or the latest and greatest indicator from some guru on Twitter. It's about how I sit here in Europe right now, traveling with my wife and my son, generating income from the markets every single day without placing a single trade myself. That's what this is about. Let's get into it. Before I show you what I found, I want to make sure I'm talking to the right person. Have you ever paid for a Discord, followed every alert, and still ended the week in the red? I know I have. Have you ever bought a trading course that promised to change your life, and 6 months later, you're still struggling? I'm guilty. Have you ever watched a guru post a 200% gain? You tried to get in, and you either got in too late or you missed it completely. That seems to be me quite a bit. Have you ever typed in an order into your broker while the price was already moving away from you? Again, I know I have. I seemed like I was always late to the party. If any of that is you, stay tuned because everything changes today. Let me tell you who I am and how I got here because my story is probably closer to yours than you think. I spent 31 years as a quality engineer at Ford Motor Company. At the same time, my wife and I built a small business from scratch. We grew it over the years and into something really significant. Our original plan was this: retire from Ford, keep running the business seasonally through the spring, summer, and fall, and then every winter pack it up and go somewhere warm. That was our dream. Travel in the off season, come back, and run the business when it was time. That's what we worked towards for 20 years. Then COVID hit. Our business had to shut down. Ford actually shut down for a period of time. And for the first time in 20 years, I had time on my hands. I was working 100 plus hours a week between Ford and the business, and sitting there during the shutdown, I had an epiphany. I said, I don't really want to do this anymore. I don't want to come back every spring and run a business. I don't want employees. I don't want the grind. I want complete freedom. Something that generates income from anywhere in the world without me having to show up. That's when I decided I was ready to sell the business entirely and figure out a different way. And that's when I got back into trading. And like a lot of you watching right now, it didn't go well. That's an understatement, actually. I went from Discord to Discord, chasing every guru. I was on Twitter every morning, scanning for that holy grail. I downloaded every new indicator every other day. Nothing worked. The harder I tried, the worse I got. I'd have three green days and then just one blow up day. I would wipe out everything I had made that week. I kept thinking, I've never been able to figure something out in my entire life. This was the first thing that was beating me. Trading is hard. So I convinced my wife to sell the business. I told her I can generate income from anywhere in the world. We'll travel the way we always dreamed. No more coming back every spring. No more employees. No more seasons running our life. She agreed finally. So we sold it. And because of the high valuation, we had to do owner financing. 2.5 years of payments. The final payment, well into the six figures, was due in November. The new owner defaulted on us. We had to sue them. We had to go to court. and suddenly the retirement fund I was counting on was locked up in the legal system. We were told it could take up to 2 years to resolve this lawsuit. So now I'm staring down retirement with a portfolio at its lowest point ever, a legal battle I can't control, and 4 months left before my retirement date at Ford. I told my wife, while we fight this thing out in court, I'm going all in on figuring out trading. This is it. I don't have any other choice. I got 4 months. That's what I have. One morning, scrolling through Twitter, still looking for that holy grail, I came across Enhanced Market. He was doing his 8 a.m. live stream, showing his pre market setups for free on Twitter. I watched for a couple weeks, and something was different about this guy. He had one setup, just one. And if his setup wasn't there, he didn't take a trade. He wasn't forcing it. He wasn't chasing. He was disciplined, something I really, really needed. So I joined his Discord. I put all my eggs in the basket, and I started to see some profitability. Better than I'd seen before, but I still wasn't where I needed to be. When we started talking, then he started talking about software he was building, something that was going to change everything. He called it the delay tax. Here's what the delay tax is. When your guru enters a trade, by the time they type it into the chat, you see it, you open your broker, you find the ticker, you find that expiration date, you find the strike price. Then you have to do some math and figure out how many contracts you can buy with your position size. Next thing you know, it's been 20 to 30 seconds minimum. And in that 20 to 30 seconds, the trade's already moved. You're late every single time. That's the delay tax. And it was costing me money every single day. Enhanced Market said his new platform was going to eliminate this completely. Get you in under 1 second, right behind the pros. That platform was Alertsify. It came out about 2 months before I retired. I signed up immediately, and it was exactly what he promised. The execution was incredible. Even in my own manual trades, I was in and out in one click. No fumbling through my brokerage app, no delay tax. Everything right in front of me. But the real game changer, it was coming. Copy trading. The ability to automatically copy the exact trades of professional verified traders without clicking a single button yourself. My retirement date came. I retired, still in the middle of a legal battle. Portfolio wasn't where it needed to be, that's for sure. I couldn't afford to make any mistakes. Copy trading finally went live, and I made a decision that changed everything. Instead of trying to outthink the market myself, I found the most profitable verified, keyword verified, traders on the leaderboard. Set my position size that I was comfortable with and let the system do the rest. Right now, as I'm recording this video, I'm in Europe, 3 months traveling with my wife and my son. We've been to Spain, Italy, Hungary, Czech Republic. Right now, I'm sitting in Germany, and we'll be working our way up through the continent, living that dream we built towards for the last 20 years. And every morning I wake up, I look at the Alertsify leaderboard, I pick my traders, I set my size, and that's it. The market handles the rest. Here's what nobody talks about with Alertsify. In my opinion, this is the number one thing it does. And I mean, it's the most important thing. It gives you your time back. To be truly profitable, day trader, you have to be on top of everything. Fed rate decisions, CPI data, PPI data, what's happening in the news cycle. Is AI a bust this week? Is Tesla laying people off? There are millions of things that move this market every day. To be consistently profitable, you have to live it. With Alertsify, I just follow the people who do, and it's given me my time back. time with my family, time to actually live. Here's the honest truth: I would not be here in Europe right now if it wasn't for Alertsify. People say you can't buy time, but with Alertsify, you kind of actually can. And if you're sitting where I was sitting a year ago, portfolio bleeding red, jumping from Discord to Discord, wondering if any of this actually works, I want you to know there is light at the end of the tunnel. I'm living proof, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works right now. Here's the one big secret the trading industry doesn't want you to know. Every course, every Discord, every indicator, every signal service, they are designed intentionally to keep you coming back and paying every month. The moment you figure it out and stop needing them, they lose a customer. So the incentive is to keep you dependent, keep you feeling like you're almost there. Just one more month, just one more strategy. I'm this close. The secret: you don't need to learn how to trade. You just need to copy someone who already has automatically with broker verification on every single trade. That's it. That's the whole thing. Let me show you the difference between what you've been getting and what we're talking about. On the left, a typical Discord guru alert. You've seen it. Taking some calls, lighter size, trimming a few, 20%, 30%, 40%. Only runners left. All out. Guess what? No entry price, no contract size, no verified exit, zero proof they were ever even in that trade. They could have typed all that after the fact. You have no way of knowing. On the right, an Alertsify verified trade gives you the ticker symbol, the call option, the entry time, and the contract size, the exit time, the return, the value of that particular verified broker's P&L. It's all verified. Every number came directly from their brokerage. It can't be faked. It can't be edited. This is what transparency actually looks like. Now, let me introduce you to the man behind Alertsify, Enhanced Market. 65,000 plus followers and founder and CEO of Alertsify. Here's what makes him different from every other guru on the internet. He doesn't just run the platform, he trades on it every single day. His trades are on the leaderboard. When you subscribe and copy him, his trades become your trades automatically. Over 190 documented trades, every single one broker verified. You can see, here's this verified monthly results for the last couple months. $51,696 for April, $51,230 for May. Incredible, an 87% win rate. When you subscribe to Alertsify and choose to copy Enhanced Market, every one of these trades becomes yours automatically in under 1 second. That's the power we're talking about here. Here's 3 secrets that I'm going to talk to you about today. The false belief: I need to learn how to trade before I can make money. I believed this for many, many years. What it did, it cost me money, it cost me time, and it almost cost me my retirement plan. The truth: you don't need to learn, you need to copy someone. As you can see here, we have Enhanced Market in April. We went over his win rate. Team Tape, that's another trader, Chud. And we have hundreds and hundreds of more traders inside Alertsify that you can copy instantly in under 1 second. You don't need to place these trades. You don't need to understand the strategy. You just need to be connected while they fire. That's it. Secret number 2, false belief: I tried trading before and lost money. This will just be the same. I want you to hear me on this because I said those exact words myself. It's not your fault. The problem was never you. The problem was the system you were using. When you trade alone, fear makes you exit early, greed makes you hold too long. Who's guilty of that? Hand up. Hope makes you average down. Fingers crossed, basically, is what I would do. Emotion costs you money every single time. It's just human nature. Nobody beats it consistently. Alertsify, autocopy removes every single one of these failure points. There's no emotions ever. Under 1 second execution, so there's no hesitation. Same entry as the professionals. Same exit fires automatically. This is not the same as what you've tried before. It's not even close. Real numbers, every trade, broker verified. You can see the full history before you subscribe to a single trader inside Alertsify. And here's just a couple that I've highlighted here: Enhanced Market, Team Tape, Chud, Texas, etc. And this is only 4 traders out of hundreds. Every one of them has a full track record that you can read before you even commit to copying them. Secret number 3: I cannot trust another trading platform. They're all the same. Well, I'm here to tell you they're not. Inside Alertsify's trading platform, you get broker verified every trade. No cherry picking, no fake screenshots. We know who they are. A real brokerage confirms every entry, every exit, every result. Physically impossible to fake. Under 1 second auto execution. By the time you type the order, the trade is already gone. Same fill window as the pros with Alertsify. 1 click manual execution. Even if you don't copy, preset your size and execute in 1 tap. Eliminate that delay tax forever. Smart sizing and risk controls. Scales to your account. Set your limits, set your stops, set your exclusions. Always in control. Zero performance fees. Zero performance fees. This is a big one. It's a flat monthly cost. Every dollar of profit is yours. No profit sharing, no hidden cuts ever. No Discord can offer any of that. Not one. All right, now, before we go any further, I'm going to take you inside Alertsify and show you what it looks like on the back end. So we're going to start with the trader leaderboard. What you're looking at is the Alertsify leaderboard. These are real traders. Every single one of them has a broker verified track record that you can see right here before you subscribe to any of them. Notice a few things as I scroll. Some of these traders are completely free, and some require a subscription. Every single one has their verified P&L right there, right? This column right here, verified P&L, every trade. There's hundreds of traders inside here, and you can subscribe to most of them at any time. They all have different styles. They have different risk profiles. They have different schedules. Some trade the open. Some trade all day. Some swing trade. You'll find the one that fits your life. Let's take a look at Enhanced Market, the founder of Alertsify. First, let's start off with his monthly P&L here. You can see here, so far for the month of June, he's already made over $48,000, and he only traded 4 days this week. I mean, incredible results here, people. If you want to go back, May, he made $51,000. April, another $51,000. You can see his trade history, every trade he's been in, entries, exits, and so on. You can actually Up here, we'll tell you his P&L, his ROI, 71.7% win rate over 198 trades. This isn't a fluke. This is a professional trader, and you have the option to copy him. You can actually go in and calculate your own P&L. Let's say you can only afford $3,000 per trade that Enhanced Market gets in. Let's look at the results for the last 30 days, calculate a comparison. Boom, you could have made $5,500 over the last 30 days without even having to log in. He went 19-3. Look at this P&L chart. It's going up. Love it, love it, love it. And the biggest thing, this is the biggest thing in Alertsify. Before you subscribe to any trader inside Alertsify, Alertsify has an AI powered analysis. It's going to tell you everything you need to know about this trader before you put $1 into one of their trades. Their trading style, their directional bias, what's their call win rate, what's their put win rate, average hold times, scaling, profit factor. Down here, it really gets into the nitty gritty. Strategy summary, edge analysis, risk analysis, recent trend, optional filter, where you can play with this, and if you filter out the noise, you can see how much you could make off this trader. Subscriber briefing, it has it all. It truly does. And like I said, there's hundreds of traders inside here, just like Enhanced Market, each one with their own AI intelligence powered analysis. You can see here, here's another one. Tells you everything about the way this person trades on a day in and day out basis. It's really, really incredible. And you can actually search by traders. You can search top trades today, top trades of the week, top trades of the month. It's got it all. I mean, look at all these traders winning on a day in and day out basis, all broker verified. You're not going to find another Discord that has this information. What you're going to find is a bunch of screenshots, unfortunately. Now, let's say you didn't want to trade. Let's say you wanted to take your own manual trades. Here's the dashboard where you can take your own trades. And here, all you would have to do is set up your broker. You can set your presets on how you'd like to scale out. When you're ready to copy a trader, you just flip this button over, and then you go back to the leaderboard and you subscribe to any one of those traders. And one day, when you, the student, becomes the teacher, you can flip this button and you can have people copy you as well. You can set risk parameters. You can set how much per trade you want to risk. Right here, let's say I got $30 per trade. This is a demo account for this purpose. You can set, do you want to buy at the bid, the mid, the ask, the market, sell the same way? You get to control everything. You can add a ticker here, and you can go here, you can type in, let's see, Tesla, and hit enter, and boom, Tesla is ready to trade for you. If, let's say, you didn't want to take calls on Tesla, let's say Tesla was having a rough day and you wanted puts, you would just hit that button. Boom, we're in the puts now. Look at that. How quick is that? Say you wanted a different expiration date. You wanted to go out in time. You want to give yourself time. Boom, there you are. It's truly, truly incredible. And once you have all of this set up, you can minimize it. And now you have the ability to put the tickers in cards so they go sideways, or rows, which is what I prefer. If you want to delete a ticker, Boom, it's gone. Now, let's actually take a trade here so I can show you guys how quick this is. So, I only want to use $30 on this trade. So, let's look at IWM puts, okay? As you can see here, if I took the 284 strike, I would only be able to afford one. See that 1x? That means I could only afford one, and it would automatically give me just one. So for this purpose, let's scroll down. Let's look at the 281 strike. It's saying I can buy 10 of them. So let's say I'm ready to buy right now. I just click right here. I hit buy. And there we are. We are in, and you have your presets here. So right now, remember I got 10 contracts. You can actually make this larger, and you can see I can scale out at 25%. I can scale out at 50%. I can scale out at 75%, or I can sell them all. I can sell them at the market, the ask, the mid, or the bid. And you can see right here, this is all real time through the broker. I got 10 contracts right now. So far, I've lost $5. So let's say I want to sell 50% of them. All I got to do is click right there, and it's going to sell five. There we go. Five contracts have been sold. As you can see here, I still got five contracts left. Now, let's say I wanted to sell another, 50% of these. So I would hit 50% again, hit sell, boom, I'm out again. Now, let's say it's gone against me and I just want to get out. Want to sell them all. I would just hit all, sell, and look at that. I'm out. Everything up here is good, and that's it. That's the power of Alertsify. Getting in and out that quickly is a game changer if you're taking your own trades. If you're a scalper, oh my gosh, the Alertsify is a no-brainer if you're a scalper. So let's get back to the slides here, and let's dig a little deeper into the AI analysis feature because I don't think most people fully understand how powerful it is. Here's something I really want to show you because I don't think people talk enough about this. You're Before you copy a single trader, you get full AI powered analysis of their entire trading system. Not a summary, a complete breakdown. Trading style, directional bias, win rates on calls and puts, average hold time, profit factor, top tickers, their edge window, the specific time of day they even perform their best. It's really incredible. Their strategy summary, their edge analysis, subscriber briefing, etc. And it tells you everything. You can browse hundreds of these verified traders, read all their AI reports, then decide. There's no guessing here. There's no blind faith. Included free with every Alertsify subscription. Now, here's something I want to show you that most people don't even think about when they first join Alertsify. I think it's one of the most powerful things about this program. You see these traders on the leaderboard charging a monthly subscription, $30, $50, $99. Some are charging $200 a month. Every one of those people started exactly where you are right now as a subscriber, as a student. Here's what Alertsify figured out that no one else has. You don't need your own Discord anymore to monetize a profitable trading track record. You don't need a following. You don't need a YouTube channel. You don't need to build an audience from scratch. If you become a consistently profitable trader on this platform and your track record is verified right here in the system automatically, you can flip a switch and open yourself up for others to copy you instantly. And every subscriber who copies you pays you a monthly fee directly inside Alertsify. Think about what that means. You could start today as a student, copying the pros, learning how they trade, watch their patterns through AI analysis, and as your own skills develop and your own track record builds, you transition from a student to the teacher, from paying a subscription to collecting one. That's the real deal. I've seen people on this platform go from subscriber to verified trader in under a couple months, building their own reoccurring income stream inside the same app they started learning in. No Discord needed, no audience needed, just a verified track record, which the platform automatically builds for you every single time you take a trade. So, when you join Alertsify today, you're not just buying access to copy and profitable traders, you're buying into an ecosystem where the ceiling truly is entirely up to you. Here's what members are actually saying: I haven't lifted a single finger. Every trade was automatically done for me. 5 days, they made $8,000. This person here started with $380. 1 week later, $1,650. Alertsify is an absolute game changer. That's incredible. This one here, this is my favorite. And this happens a lot. I was sick all day, napped through half the session, woke up. I was up $2,800. I finished at $4,800. That is the power of copy trading. The platform works whether you're watching or not, whether you're awake or not. The trades just execute. These results, they're all real. Let's talk about what's actually going on in the guru space. Trading Guru weekend recap. Private jet, check. Lambo, check. Penthouse, check. Verified trade results? Nope. Entry price? Nope. Exit price? Nope. It's funny how that works. Alertsify, proof. Entry pulled directly from the broker. Alert, fires on execution. Same fill. Real contract size. Every time, cannot be faked. Comes from the account. Track record is real and auditable. Full transparency. Exits to 100% broker verified. Alertsify is the only platform where every single trade is broker verified. No screenshots, no claims. A real broker confirms every entry, every exit, every result. Here's something most people don't know, and once you know it, you cannot unknow it. Anyone can generate a Robinhood or a Webull P&L screenshot with AI in under 30 seconds. No trade ever happened. Here's 3 screenshots here. This is what the gurus are showing you. Screenshot, there's no broker link, there's no entry price, there's no timestamp, most definitely. There's no exit documented. Could all be AI generated in seconds. There's no way to verify any of these trades ever happened. What Alertsify shows you is broker verified receipts, entry price, exact timestamp. You can go back and look at the chart. Exit documented automatically. Win or lose. Cannot be fabricated or edited. It's 100% real. The difference is not small. It's everything, in my opinion. And we want to talk about the platform here. The platform level numbers are so you understand the scale of what we're talking about here. Alertsify has completed over $220 million in executed trades across many brokers. 2.42 million options contracts auto executed. 266,000 plus confirmed at the broker 100% audit trail. User rating on WAP of 4.8. Average fill speed under 1 second. That's signal to broker confirmation across 9 different brokers. These are real members with real P&Ls. As I showed you inside Alertsify, you can see the top trades of the month, the top trades of the day, the top trades of the week. It's all real right in front of you. Every single one of these trades could be yours. Side by side, one more time so it's completely clear. Manual alert groups, no proof they were ever in the trade. You always get a worse fill. Their sizing is unknown. You're guessing your risk. Anyone can type anything after the fact. Win rates unverifiable. Could be completely fake. You pay a membership to potentially lose money faster. Exits go quiet when the trades go wrong. Alertsify. Verified alerts. Entry pulled directly from the broker. Verified. Alert fires on execution. Same fill window as that pro. Real contract size every time. Can't be faked. Comes from the account. Track record. Real. Full information. Not blind faith. Not, hey, trust me, bro. Exits fire automatically. Full transparency. This is not even the same category of product. One is a chat room, the other is a direct connection to a real brokerage account. One question I get a lot: I don't have as much money as these traders. How does that work? Here's how. You set the sizing. Alertsify automatically scales every copy trade to match your account, not the leader's account. Dollar by dollar, percent by percent, contract by contract. It goes, you set the size. You're in control. You're always in control of your own risk. The lead trader's position size has zero effect on yours. Smart sizing scales into any account from $500 to $500,000. Alertsify makes your risk what you're willing to manage. Is this legal? 100% yes. You control your own brokerage account at all times. Alertsify never holds your funds, they never touch your money. It's a signal that executes through your broker account. What if my trader loses? It's simple. You unsubscribe from him instantly. Before that, you can set stop rules and trade limits up front. You can copy multiple traders at the same time to diversify your portfolio. Always in control. You hold the keys to your own portfolio. I don't have as much money. Smart sizing scales to any account. Start with whatever you're comfortable with. What brokerages work with Alertsify? E-Trade, Tasty Trade, Schwab, Tradier, Webull, Questrade, and a few more are coming online. It takes literally 5 minutes to connect Alertsify to your broker. I want you to think about something for a moment. 1 year from today, there's going to be two versions of you. Path A, you're still paying that $99 to $200 plus a month for a Discord. The guru is still typing, taking some calls with no verification, no accountability. You made nothing. Maybe you even lost money. You're still hoping next month will be different. Oh, I've been there many times. Path B, you join Alertsify today, and for the next 12 months, verified traders auto copied into your account every market day without you placing a single trade. Your account starts growing. Not one trade placed by yourself. The decision you make in the next few minutes determines which of these two people you're going to be. Let me tell you something. Your guru needs you more than you need them. So let me walk you through everything that's included with Alertsify. And think about what you'd pay for each one of these individually, even if you could find them separately. Access to hundreds of broker verified traders. Priceless in my mind, because unverified access to fake results is worth nothing. Under 1 second auto execution, same fill as the professionals. That's priceless because a millisecond in this market is everything. Smart position sizing that scales to your account. Priceless, because most people blow up that account with wrong position size alone. Smart risk controls, stops, limits, exclusions, priceless, because protecting your capital is rule number one. Don't ever forget that. Full broker verified trade history. No cherry picking, priceless, because anyone can show you the wins, few show the losses. P&L calculator. Run your own numbers before you subscribe to any of the traders. That's priceless. Copy multiple traders simultaneously. Priceless. Diversification without complexity. That can't be stressed enough. AI analysis of every trader's patterns, edge windows, and risk profile. Priceless. Total value, beyond priceless in my words. You cannot put a dollar amount on what accurate, verified, automatically executed trades are worth to your financial future. Now, what does it cost? Think about this first. A single one-on-one session with a professional options trader could run anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per hour. Their time is very valuable. A managed trading account requires a $25,000 minimum and takes 20% of your profits. Yeah, they take a cut right off the top. A Discord that gives you unverified signals costs anywhere between $99 and $200 per month with nothing to show for it. You're getting actual trades here, verified, automatic, scaled to your account. Your price, 6 payments of $332.83. Once again, here's everything you get when you subscribe today. Access to all the verified traders on the leaderboard, under 1 second auto execution on every copied trade. One-click manual execution. Eliminate that delay tax. Smart sizing, smart risk controls, copying multiple traders at the same time. Full broker verified trade history. No cherry picking. We also show our losses. P&L calculator. Run your own numbers first. Don't trust me, bro. That's right. 6 payments of $332.83. That gets you copied, verified traders automatically, full access to the trader leaderboard, browse and copy from hundreds of verified traders, zero performance fees. Every dollar of profit is yours. Here's exactly what you do right now. Below this video, you'll see a link. Click it. You'll land on the Alertsify page, enter your information, connect your brokerage. It takes 5 minutes. Then go to the leaderboard. Start finding your traders whose AI report matches your schedule, your risk tolerance. Click copy, set your position size, and tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, your first trades fire automatically. That's the whole process. Simply click the link below. I know what you might be thinking. How do I know this is going to work for me? Before I put my own hard-earned money into it, I had that same exact question. Here's what's different about Alertsify. The transparency is the guarantee. Let me say that again. The transparency is the guarantee. Before you subscribe to a single trader, you see their entire verified track record, every trade, every result, every month, right there on the leaderboard. Before you commit any money, you read their full AI report. You know exactly what you're subscribing to before a single dollar moves. And if you subscribe to a trader and you don't like what you're seeing, stop copying them instantly. No contracts, no cancellation fees, no friction. One click and you're done with that trader. The leaderboard is open. The track records are real. The only risk is not looking. Browse, verify, then subscribe. Your money never leaves your brokerage account. Oh, I almost forgot. One more thing. I wanted to mention this, and it might be the most important thing I say in this entire presentation. What if I told you Alertsify copy trading could be completely free for you? I mean it, free, zero out of pocket. What would you do? Would you sign up instantly? Here's how. The moment you subscribe to Alertsify, you automatically receive your own affiliate link right inside the platform. No application, no approval process. It's just there waiting for you. And Enhanced Market pays 50% affiliate commissions. Same structure I'm on right now. 50% of the sale as a lump sum when someone purchases and completes their payments, plus reoccurring monthly commission every single month that they say stay subscribed. Do the math with me for a second. You're paying $332.83 a month. You get two people to sign up with your affiliate link. Their commissions alone cover your entire monthly subscription. Alertsify costs you nothing. Two people, that's it. You don't need a following. You don't need a website. You don't need a YouTube channel. You don't need to be a marketing expert. You just need two people in your life, a friend, a family member, a coworker, who are doing exactly what you've been doing before you found this, jumping from Discord to Discord, losing money, looking for something that actually works. The Holy Grail. It doesn't exist. Show them what you're doing. Show them the leaderboard. Show them the verified results. Send them your link. Two signups. That's all you need. And you're riding for free. Every single signup after that is pure income on top of everything else you're already making from copy trading. So let me ask you again, what if Alertsify was completely free? Now you know it can be. I want to leave you with one final thought. Enhanced Market trades every single market day. His trades don't pause. The leaderboard doesn't pause. The market opens every morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, whether you're in it or not. If you wait, today's trades will execute without you. Tomorrow's trades will execute without you. Every winning trade that fires is someone else's P&L. You're still guessing, you're still hoping, you're hopping from Discord to Discord. You're still late. If you act now, tomorrow's open fires with you in it. Every verified trade copied to your account automatically, same entry as that pro, in under 1 second. Not one trade placed by you ever. The market opens tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The only question is whether you're in it. That's it. That's the whole picture. Stop guessing, start copying. The link is below the video. $332.83 a month for 6 payments. Zero performance fees. Your money stays in your brokerage account always. If you have any questions, you can DM me on Twitter. I'm Stack Tilt Trades, and I'll answer every message you have. Go to the link, connect your broker, pick a trader, set your sizing, and tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m., you're in the market. I'll see you on the leaderboard.